Morning students, today we are going to create a rangoli design. For this you required a carry bag. Okay, you can use this kind of carry bag, this carry bag or this. It's up to you, whatever is available at your home. And then we are going to cut it to create a design. With the help of scissor you are going to cut it. We are going to cut it from two sides. Like this. Now my carry bag is open. Now what I am going to do, I will make a look, it is untidy from here, so I am taking from here. Okay, so we will going to make a triangle by folding it up, and I am going to cut it again. Carry bag is available at everyone's house. If you are not having the carry bag, you can use the foil paper. It's up to you. Now I will get this square. Is it okay? Now what is my next step? I am folding it up like this. Okay. To create a design. Now with the help of the scissor I will cut triangle from this side. Okay, I am cutting another triangle. I can create any design. With the help of scissor I can design it the way I want. It is very soft and easy to cut the carry bag. So take care of your hands while cutting and do in the presence of your parents. Okay. I have cut this shape. Okay. Now I am cutting again another shape, a slant, little bit slant shape at the background. Background means on the last part of my craft paper. Oh sorry, carry bag. You can do with the any craft paper also. The technique is the remain the same. If you are having color paper at home, you can use that. I don't want that you should go out to purchase the paper. That's why I am teaching you with the help of the waste carry bag how to create a design. Like this I have put the cuts. Okay, I can make small triangles at the back side like this. It's up to you. You can cut it in the circular form or you can cut it in the triangular form. It's all up to you how you are going to shape it up. It's totally depend on you. Please remove the waste and don't throw this waste. This waste will also help. Now I am going to open it up in front of you. You can see what we have created. Is it looking pretty? And now I will paste it on another color paper, or I can paste it on silver foil paper I can paste and show you how to do. This is my crushed silver paper and I will paste with the help of the Fevicol and my design is ready. Okay students, with the help of Fevicol we are going to paste it. Hope you understand it and you love to do this craft activity and create the designs as you want. Now this part is also not wasted. This can be used to create another design. Okay students, bye for now. Please do this task in your art file and create a rangoli design. You have to create the rangoli design like this with the help of the carry bag. You have to cut the design and then you are going to paste it in your art files.